Hello viewers, welcome back to Online Classroom, and in this video series we will cover 8D problem solving methodology. 8D methodology is most renowned and advanced problem solving methodology today, which was originated from automotive industry and has been fast gaining popularity in all forms of industries now. So let's begin. Before coming to 8D, let me share with you few other problem-solving methodology commonly used by engineers and managers. They are DMAC, PDCA, QC story, FMEA, is not analysis, and A3. All of these are most common methodologies, and definitely there are many more. Coming again to 8D, let's start with its origin. 8D was conceptualized by Ford Motor Company in 1987 as part of TOPS, which is Team-Oriented Problem Solving, under name of 8 disciplines, with basic intent to tackle engineering problems. Coming next to what is 8D, it is a problem-solving methodology designed to find the root cause of a problem, devise a short-term fix, and implement a long-term solution to prevent recurrence. One of the best features about 8D is it utilizes best practices from various other existing approaches. Also, it derives systemic change rather than conventional know it, do it approach. Furthermore, 8D improve entire process working on both symptom and root cause of problem. To better understand symptom and root cause, check out our video on root cause analysis. Coming now to why use 8D or benefits of using 8D. First is it is a team-oriented approach rather than conventional expert-based approach. Second is it increases familiarity with common problem-solving structure, improving team building and skill development. Third is data development of historical failures and lessons learned from them for prevention. Fourth is enhanced understanding of team about use of basic statistical tools for problem solving. Other benefits of 8D are it provides practical understanding of root cause analysis. It improves skill for implementing corrective actions, better ability to identify necessary systemic change and subsequent inputs for change, improving culture and effectiveness by imparting more candid and open communication in problem-solving discussion. And finally, it helps with improvement in management's understanding of problem and problem resolution process. Looking on to these benefits, I hope you understand how beneficial it is to learn 8D problem solving. Now, let's learn when to use this tool. First, in situation of when internal rejects, waste, scrap, test failures are at unacceptable levels. Then, in case of customer complaints. Third, in case of unexpected high rate of warranty returns. And also in case of discovered safety or regulatory issues. So, if you are facing any of these situations, I recommend you using 8D methodology. Revealing 8D or 8 disciplines now, it starts with D0, which is recognizing the problem or concern. Then D1, which is forming a problem-solving team, followed by D2, which is defining the problem, D3, implementing ICA, that is interim containment action or correction, D4, identification of root cause using root cause analysis tools, D5, deciding permanent corrective actions on root cause, D6, implementing and validating permanent corrective action, D7, deciding and implementing preventive actions, and finally D8, recognition of team for their effort to close the loop. Hope you are now curious to learn these 8 disciplines in detail. It is part of our next video, so stay connected with our channel by subscribing to it for continuous update on learning new topics. Like and share the video to show your support. See you soon in next video continuing 8 disciplines of problem solving. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.